Hi everyone, so today we are going to unbox this Renee lipstick. So this one is very trending. I saw a lot of ads of this and I was so curious to try this lipstick. That's why I ordered from Mintra as a Christmas gift for myself. This one is the nude version. I think this same lipstick has bright shades also. And let's just see the swatches of this one. Before that, let me just tell you this one is Fab 5 5-in-1 lipstick nude version, and this one is from Rene Cosmetics. This is such a cool idea, let me tell you. By the way, इस लिपस्टिक को देख के मुझे उस पेंसिल की याद आती है, स्कूल के टाइम में होती थी, जो आप जो एक पॉइंट था उसको पीछे कर दो तो दूसरा आगे आ जाता था. दिस इज सेम काइंड ऑफ सेम kind of product it is, and the product is creamy finish, soft and smooth application, one stroke application, very moisturizing, enriched with jojoba. So these were the details about product, and the MRP is 750 rupees and made in India. That's a good thing. And the expiry is 10/24. So now let's just open it, okay? And there we go. I was so excited. It's there with me, I think, from last 1 week, but I have not opened it. So yeah, that's how the product looks. It still has this polythene packaging. I have to remove it. I'm not sure if all these 5 shades will look nice on me, but I really wanted to try this one. And like, let's say if you are someone who love to try different shades and all, or who don't want to keep a lot of lipsticks in your handbag, then this is such a cool idea. And that's it's done. And here we have the first shade, and do what we have to do now. Okay, I can just push it a bit to, and I'll show you the swatches. Right now I already have lipstick. This one is the first shade. It's a perfect nude shade, a little bit of orange tone, and it will look nice in the daytime when you don't want to look very heavy. And let's just see the second color. So what you have to do is, I think, for this lipstick, you have to take this thing like this and you put it here, right? And there we have our second shade. This shade is more into the brown tone, or while applying it is actually more of a pinkish shade, if you can see. I know this angle is not the right angle right now, but let me just adjust my camera a bit. Okay, this one is the second shade. Now I think you can see little bit more. This one above one is the first one. That one has the orange tone. This one has the pink tone. Now let's see the another color. Okay, this one again looks a very browny shade to me, and okay, this one is actually a browning shade. This one looks, this one, see, this brownish tone, pink tone, and this one has the first one has that orange tone. Now let's see the next shade. This lipstick is so much fun, huh? And reminding me all my school memories. This should have a little bit of plum tone. See? Maybe I'll actually post a picture that will give you better clarity. Very smooth, highly pigmented. And then we have the last shade, and that's here. I think this one is the darkest shade in this lipstick. And there we go. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already have 5 swatches. Okay, I think I did this one again. See, this one has a purple tone kind of shade. And Yeah, it's such a fun thing. I don't know ये कितना stay करेगा. This is going to smudge for sure. See, this is smudging and it will go. So for sure, this is not a long-lasting lipstick. And I don't think so. They are claiming also. This is a 5 in 1 lipstick, but not a long-lasting lipstick. And what else? Yeah, I think that's all about it. So the first color, second color, third color, brownish tone, fourth color, ये मैंने गलती से 2 बार swatch कर दिया. And this one has the purple tone. And I think I'm not sure about the first color जो मेरे को starting में मिला था, this one. But otherwise, I feel so every color will look decent on me. I have to put this back, keep this little back, yeah, like this, to close this so that it doesn't. It, uh-oh. I have to keep it little bit more. Yeah. You have to be very careful, especially with the kids, because एक बार kids ने आपको करते हुए देख लिया ना, mommy reviewing this product, तो वो बचने वाला नहीं है. And a very cool idea, definitely a very compact piece and 5 lipsticks in one go. But I would be more than happy अगर ये थोड़ा long lasting हो, though I'm not really sure about it. So that's all about it. I'll share the picture of the swatches. And in case if you have any questions about this product, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be keep experimenting with my content so that you guys love my content. 500 रुपीज़ की रेंज में है ये. काफ़ी डिटेल्स मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी दे दूँगी, कैप्शन में भी होगी. आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर लेना अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जिनको लिपस्टिक्स पसंद है. एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल फॉर मोर सच कूल वीडियोज़. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.